Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a solar camera, link in the description down below. Seller in Amazon. This is pretty much everything in the package ready to go. Solar powered, all day video, all day recording pretty much. This is nothing to do with this thing, but look at this knife. It's a 2-in-1 flamethrower. Well, not flamethrower. Anyways, this is manual right out the box. Make sure you keep manual. And another thing, you don't know what that is, but you don't need that one. Manual, you need it. This solar panel is bigger than the typical size, so that's why it's an all-day video camera. It charges more. You have your 24-hour warning, and as well as mounting brackets. This will be for your solar panel, so you can mount your solar panel, and this one will be to mount your camera itself. So this one also comes with temp plates, so you don't mess up on the screws where you're gonna put them at. Pretty convenient, right? Cable in case you don't want to go solar. This one does have the speaker in the back. It is two-way audio. It has the microphone in the front, and this one has 5 LED lights compared to the usual 2 or 3 or 4. Pretty much in the bottom you will have your power on button, and as well as a reset and the SD card slot. So this one didn't come charged, so we're gonna charge it up real quick to start it up. While that's doing that, you have to download the app. The app name is Cloud Edge app. You can find it in Google Play or App Store. It'll work for both anyways. It's pretty self-explanatory to do this pretty much, but like I said, do not throw away manual because it explains how to set up your app step by step pretty much. It's pretty easy. As a matter of fact, once you set it up, your account, and you follow the reset instructions, it'll automatically show the camera. But if you mess up on your password, your Wi-Fi password, like I did here, then you're gonna have troubles. You're gonna have to restart again. So that's why on the right side you can see me already showing you a couple of steps after you already completed the login process and the camera's already on and running. So yeah, not wasting no time over here. Anyways, since I already had an account, it was very easy for me to just add another camera to it. So same thing for you. If you already have a camera account with Cloud Edge, it'll be very easy to add this camera. But again, with the 5 LED lights, you don't really need them. Look, this is night, and it still captures pretty clearly. It's amazing. Again, I would go and check them out. They don't only have one camera; they have different ones as well. But clear video, full-time recording mode if you put in your SD card, and also motion detection recording and alerts. This is the outside. Obviously where I'm at is pretty lit up, so I didn't get a chance to be able to test out the night vision, but with the LED lights, it says color mode. Look at how bright it is. That was a LED light on, and it's pretty bright. So pretty good camera. If you like it, make sure to check them out. Link in the description down below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.